The front seats in your Genesis GV70 can be adjusted manually by using the control switches located on the outside of the seat cushion. Before adjusting your seating position, be sure the vehicle is in park. To move the entire seat forward or back, push this control switch to the horizontal direction you want the seat to move to. The seat back angle is adjusted by pressing this button towards the front or rear. To adjust the overall height of the seat, pull or press this area of the same switch in a vertical fashion. To tilt the seat cushion, pull or press this switch in a vertical fashion. To adjust the seat lower cushion extension, simply push or pull the switch to the horizontal direction you want the extension to go. The same button is used to raise or lower the seat cushion support. To adjust the seat cushion support, pull or press the switch in a vertical direction. The lumbar support has 4 directions of adjustment in a single button. To increase the arch of the lumbar support, press this side of the button. To decrease, press this side of the button. The height of the lumbar can be adjusted by pressing here to increase and here to decrease. Some models may be equipped with a seat bolster adjustment feature. To adjust the seat bolster, turn the lever clockwise to tighten the bolster and counterclockwise to widen. The integrated memory system for the front driver's seat allows up to 2 drivers to have their own seat settings saved. To begin using this feature, the vehicle will need to be in park and the start-stop button in the on position. When the desired seat position is set, including the side mirrors, steering wheel, and the heads-up display height, press the Set button and then the numbered position button. Depending on which button was pressed, you should see that the driver settings have been saved on the instrument cluster. Note that when turned off and then back on, your GV70 will return to the previously set seating position. If any adjustments have been made away from the memory seating position, your GV70 will return to this altered seating position after turning back on. To return to a saved memory seating position, press the numbered seating position button after turning on your vehicle. Some GV70 models may be equipped with a driver's side ergo motion seat, featuring comfortable stretch, smart posture assist, and smart support. To begin using, press Setup, Vehicle, Seat, and then select the ergo motion seat options. Comfortable stretch is a function that relieves the fatigue off the driver's lower back and pelvis area. By pressing this button, it will cycle through the various functions in the order of pelvic stretch, lumbar stretch, full body stretch, and off. After driving for 1 hour, Smart Posture Assist automatically adjusts the pelvic and back portion of the driver's seat to assist with posture. Smart Support allows the driver's seat bolster to provide increased support when the Sport driving mode is selected or when driving at high speed. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.